Okay, so this is going to be a short video, and I'm just sharing this just in case anybody has a similar trailer. I've had this tilt trailer for, I don't know, 10, 12 years now, and made some enhancements here and there, replaced the brakes, put new tires on it, but, I redid the, I guess, cargo carrier, sanded that all down, painted the inside, put some weather stripping in there. Had to do a little bit of electrical work, but main purpose of this video is to clean up this slop here. Look at that. Somebody cut this out for whatever reason, and it's a little wallowed out. Now, this inside diameter of these two are just fine. The U-bolts on this were all worn out too. I actually replaced these a while back. I actually had to make them, and I just kind of jam nutted a couple nuts on there, so that's all good to go. So I want to fill this in and make it right. So we'll do that. Right now it's pretty tight, but once I put that pin in there, it waddles around and stuff. Now, I don't know why. I just didn't think about recording it. This one is all done, and it's nice and secure. Just a little bit of play, just so I can get the U-bolt off the anchor point there. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So yeah, I just figured I'd share, and maybe this will help somebody. Let's get going. Okay, so we got to start by taking this bolt and nut off. The one on the other side completely snapped. I suspect that'll be the same here. But once we take that off, we'll be able to take this into the shop, fill it in, probably just fill it in with weld, and then we'll drill it out to accept the pin. Yeah, sometimes you get lucky. Now the other side, I replaced the broken bolt with just a pin. So if I got to repair this again, I don't have to worry about rusted nuts. Yeah, so see how it kind of wallowed out that nut or that bolt. Like I said, I've had this for over 10 years, and the previous owner, I don't know how long he had it, but it's probably a 20-year-old trailer, but it's in great condition overall. It's even still got the original decking. They used white oak, and there's a couple pieces here and there that could use some attention, but alright, so this is what we're dealing with. I want to fill this in, draw out a 1/2-inch bolt or a hole. Yeah, this is a little wallowed out. I'm not going to worry about that too much. That's just the keeper. So let's go into the shop, get this filled in and drilled out. Okay, so that's all filled in now. Yeah, a couple pits here and there. I'm not too worried about that. Way better than it was. So let's go mark it up and get it ready to drill out. Okay, got this in place, marked it up. Now we'll go drill that out so it can accept this pin. And it's a 1/2-inch pin. So let's go do that. Okay, and that's pretty much a wrap. That's how I fix a loosey-goosey, I guess, stronghold for a tilt trailer. Now it's nice and tight. Before well, I should show you, but I think I threw them away. The U-bolts were all wallowed out. I couldn't even tighten the nuts anymore, and it was just bouncing everywhere. It's pretty solid now, so we got a pin here. Went ahead and put just a cotter pin here. No way these little things I'm putting in there, that's not going to back out. But, yep, so hope you all enjoyed that. I hope somebody found this somewhat helpful. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button, and apparently that stuff really helps the channel. Again, I'm not on here trying to make money or anything, just trying to share my projects and find like-minded people. All right, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.